All degree recipients may please stand up at their respective places.
मैं वाइस चांसलर इंटीग्रल यूनिवर्सिटी और इख्तियारात के मातहत जो मेरे हासिल हैं आपको आपसे मुताल्लिक़ शोबा व मज़ामीन में मास्टर की डिग्री अता करता हूँ। आपको नसीहत करता हूँ कि आप अपने आप को हमेशा इस डिग्री पे अहल साबित करें।
Thank you, sir. All degree recipients may please be seated. Now I present before you the candidates who have been examined and found qualified for the award of bachelor's degree. मोहतरम जनाब चांसलर साहब, अब मैं आपके सामने उन तलबा को पेश कर रहा हूँ जिन्होंने बैचलर्स डिग्री के इम्तिहान में कामयाबी हासिल कर ली है और इसे हासिल करने के मुस्तहक करार दिए गए हैं। बैचलर ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन 48, बैचलर ऑफ कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन 51, बैचलर ऑफ एजुकेशन 74, बैचलर ऑफ फिजियोथेरेपी 15, बैचलर ऑफ साइंस ऑनर्स इन बायोटेक्नोलॉजी 20, बैचलर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन बायोटेक्नोलॉजी 79, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग 122, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग 89, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन इंजीनियरिंग 26, इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग 57, सिविल इंजीनियरिंग 156, कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग 175, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी 90, बैचलर ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर 46, बैचलर ऑफ फाइन आर्ट्स 7, बैचलर ऑफ फार्मेसी 30. Total number of students are 1085. I request to admit them the degrees they are entitled for. All the students are requested to please stand up at their respective places.
मैं वाइस चांसलर इंटीग्रल यूनिवर्सिटी और इख्तियारात के तहत जो मुझे हासिल हैं आपको आपसे मुताल्लिक़ शोबा मज़ामीन में बैचलर की डिग्री अता करता हूँ और आपको नसीहत करता हूँ कि आप अपने आप को हमेशा इस डिग्री के अहल साबित करेंगे।
Thank you, sir. All the degree recipients may please be seated. Sir, now I present before you the candidates who have been examined and found qualified for the award of diploma in engineering. मोहतरम चांसलर साहब, मैं आपके सामने उन तलबा को पेश कर रहा हूँ जिन्होंने डिप्लोमा के इम्तिहान में कामयाबी हासिल कर ली है और डिप्लोमा हासिल करने के मुस्तहक करार दिए गए। डिप्लोमा इन मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग 118, ऑटोमोबाइल इंजीनियरिंग 63, सिविल इंजीनियरिंग 136, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग 83, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग 1. Total number of diploma holders are 401. I request you to admit them the diploma they are entitled for. I request the student please stand up. But
मैं वाइस चांसलर इंटीग्रल यूनिवर्सिटी और उन इख्तियारात के मातहत जो मुझे हासिल हैं आपको आपसे मुताल्लिक़ शोबा मज़ामीन में डिप्लोमा की सनद अदा करता हूँ और आपको नसीहत करता हूँ कि आप अपने आप को इस सनद के अहल साबित करें।
Thank you, sir. All the diploma recipients may please be seated.
Thank you, sir. I now request the Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, to kindly administer the oath to the recipients of degrees and diplomas. All the degree and diploma recipients are requested to stand up at their respective places and repeat the oath.
Please repeat with me. I will work diligently and in all sincerity for the creation, preservation, and dissemination of knowledge to glorify the name of my alma mater. I will be honest, devoted and dedicated on the job, shall uphold the dignity and integrity of the profession, and shall serve the motherland and the mankind. I will not discriminate against people on the basis of their caste, creed, language, and religion, will take a judicious and impartial view on all the matter I come across, and will promote national integration, secularism, and mutual understanding among all sections of the society. I will hold my parents, elders and teachers in high esteem and shall keep a low pitch of voice before them. I will fulfill obligation to my family, neighbors, relatives and friends, foster friendship in between, and strive for everlasting peace in the country and beyond. Integrating spiritual and moral values, I will strive to elevate people suffering, ailment and poverty, and will ardently contribute to developing the coming young generation for the progress and prosperity of the nation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Students, please take your seats. I request the Controller of Examination to present the university toppers and other recipients of gold medals as well as silver medals before the Chancellor and other dignitaries on the dais as per program.
Honorable Shri Ram Nayak Ji, Governor of Uttar Pradesh, Sir, I present before you the university toppers. Kindly award them the medals. First position holder in the university, Akhlaq Ahmad Khan, Master of Technology in Instrumentation and Control. Second position holder in the university, Alika Sarkar, Bachelor of Technology in Biotechnology. Thank you, sir. Dignitaries on the dais, I present before you the recipients of gold and silver medals. Kindly award them their medals. I would request Honorable Shri Ram Nayak Ji, Governor of Uttar Pradesh, to give away the gold medals. Pooja Nigam, Master of Business Administration. Noor Zahra Rizvi, Master of Computer Application. Dhriti Tiwari, Master of Education. Talmiz Fatma, Master of Physiotherapy in Neurology. Juhi Siddiqui, Master of Science in Biochemistry. Azra Hassan, Master of Science in Biotechnology. Sonali Mishra, Master of Science in Industrial Chemistry. Zeba Siddiqui, Master of Science in Microbiology. Hari Prasad, Master of Science in Medical Anatomy. Sonia Jaiswal, Master of Science in Medical Anatomy. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I request Honorable Chancellor, sir, to give away the gold medals. Ismat Fatma Rizvi, Master of Technology in Biotechnology. Chancellor, sir, please. Ankita Srivastav, Master of Technology in Biotechnology, dual degree. Neha Tripathi, Master of Technology in Electronics and Communication Engineering, part-time. Sorry for it. Akhlaq Ahmad Khan, Master of Technology in Instrumentation and Control. Shaheen Fatma, Master of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. Muhammad Muazzam Khan, Master of Pharmacy. Shilpi Ghatak, Bachelor of Architecture in Architecture. Digvijay Singh, Bachelor of Business Administration. Surabhi Srivastav, Bachelor of Computer Application. Mariam Fatima, Bachelor of Science Honours in Biotechnology. Thank you, sir. Now I request Lieutenant General Zamiruddin Shah, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University, to give away the gold medals. Gaurav Pandey, Bachelor of Fine Arts. Digni Kumari, Bachelor of Pharmacy. Rekha Singh, Bachelor of Physiotherapy. Alika Sarkar, Bachelor of Technology in Biotechnology. Abhishek Kumar, Bachelor of Technology in Civil Engineering. Darsha Jabi, Bachelor of Technology in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Nabiha Abbasi, Bachelor of Technology, Electronics and Communication Engineering. Azimul Haq, Bachelor of Technology in Electronics and Instrumentation. Ankita Singh, Bachelor of Technology in Information Technology. Muhammad Amanuddin, Bachelor of Technology in Mechanical Engineering. Faisal Ali, Diploma in Civil Engineering. Abhishek Kumar Shah, Diploma in Electrical Engineering. Kamsing Khan, Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. Muhammad Yasin, Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. Thank you, sir. Now I request Professor Dr. N.C. Gautam, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mahatma Gandhi Chitrakoot Gramodyog Vishwavidyalaya, to give away the silver medals. Saima Abbas Jafri, Master of Business Administration. Rachna Singh, Master of Computer Application.